The image illustrates the distribution of world's water. Of around 1.38 billion cubic kilometer total water, only 2.5% is fresh water and remaining salt water. Glaciers and permanent slow make up the majority, 68.7% of the fresh water, while groundwater is the next big chunk at 30.06%. Ground ice and permafrost, lakes, soil, wetlands, rivers etc. hold the remaining fresh water. In conclusion, one can say the fresh water is very rare.
The image illustrates the share of various countries in the global GDP by PPP in the year 2011. The 6 biggest economies, US, Russia, UK, China, India and Japan, have the biggest share. USA and China account for over 15% each, followed by India, UK, Japan and Russia at around 3.5%. Other countries such as Australia, Brazil, Canada also have a share ranging from 1 to 3.5%. African and Southern American countries have the minimum share. It is evident that there is a wide disparity in GDP across the world.
The image illustrates the unemployment rates for various degree and diploma holders and also shows their median weekly earnings. It is obvious that holders of a professional degree have highest weekly earnings of $1,735 and least unemployment rate of 2.1%. This is followed by doctoral degree holders, master's degree holders and bachelor degree holders. Those who hold only a high school diploma or lesser have high unemployment of 8.3 to 12.4% and income as low as $471. Thus, there is a clear correlation between level of education and earnings.
The map shows the projected change in cereal production volumes in the year 2080. While a large part of Africa is not suitable for cereal production, it is encouraging to notice that a large number of areas will have an increase of 25% or more and several other areas will see an increase of 5 to 25%. A few areas will also register a drop in production ranging from 5 to 25%. Special attention should therefore be given to areas which will see more than 50% fall in production.
The graph compares the sunrise and sunset timings over a period of 1 year. Around November, sun rises at around 7:12 a.m. and sets before 4:48 p.m. Sunrise timing reaches its lowest of 4:48 a.m. in the middle of the year in June, and in the same month sunset reaches its highest of 9:36 p.m. After June, sunset timings start to decrease and sunrise timings start to increase till the rest of the year. In conclusion, one can say that the sunrise and sunset timings follow a very well-defined pattern.
The graph compares the number of users in millions of various technology types. It is obvious that telephone has the highest number of users at 8 million, followed by TV at 6 million, and computer users are almost half of telephone users at just over 4 million. Radio has over 3 million users, iPod 1 million, and around 500,000 use a webcam. In conclusion, one can say that television by far remains the most used technology.
The diagram illustrates the role of energy in human life. Human beings consume chemical energy in the form of food such as carbohydrates and fats. This is converted to ATP, which body uses, and the rest is eliminated as waste in the form of carbon dioxide and water or dissipated as heat from the body. ATP runs the metabolism process, which also releases heat energy from the body. It is evident that the body has a very sound mechanism for processing food and converting it to energy for our various activities.